You know, the opposition in this country has been reduced to the level of Rigathi Gachagua. It's very we are in a very sorry and sad state of affairs in this country. Yeah. Look at the kind of opposition we used to have in this country. And look at the garbage today we are listening to as opposition. Filthy. Talking about communities, ukabila, tribalism, you know, shares, what? That is how the opposition has been reduced to. It's very sorry side of state. God willing, we will have a proper opposition in the near future. People who will deal with issues affecting Kenyans in a proper manner. Not an extortionist who is extorting money all the way from aspirants of MCA in DCP to members of parliament, to governors, to senators. I know why he's ranting today. It's because of what happened in Naivasha the last 2 days. He saw the numbers. He saw the force. He saw the organizational, you know. Now he has realized he's only working with 3 people. A man who cannot shave his beard, and another one, we don't know what he is, just making noise here in Kiambu. So he's scared, I know. And I know he will get, I knew yesterday, with those numbers, Rigathi will get scared. And he'll start maligning people's names.